see, the other thing we can add though, next to the door would be a little bit of corn. So we'll take the yellow, roll it into a ball, and then roll it back and forth this way. Just something like this. And then we need a toothpick. Just draw lines this way, and then go across. And then we'll just take a little bit of the cocoa color, the brown, which is the petal dust, and brush over it. Okay? And we'll just kind of pop this here. And then cornstarks, usually it kind of, we'll fill in this area back here, and then we'll take this and we'll squeeze, and we'll pull up this way and pull up this way over the front door, like that. Okay, we'll do 2 on the other side, so we'll have 3 all together. So one a little bit bigger, one a little smaller. So ball, finger on top, roll back and forth, drop it down. We'll have to fill in this area down here. And pull out our stems over the corn. The spatula's a little big. This is why I wasn't worried about the base of the pumpkin when we were doing it. Like I said, it would have been a waste of time if you know that the base is going to show, then you need to spend more time on it. But if it isn't, then don't spend the time on it. Spend the time on something else. Got some graham crackers here that I'm going to place as kind of a little trail from the front door, kind of coming out a little pathway here. Just give a little bit different texture on the board. Kind of going that way and this way. And then we'll just take some and put it in a couple of little different areas. Like I said, it just kind of adds different texture. Okay, so that's good. So I had an extra leaf. I can pop like a leaf over here and some extra little flowers, kind of pop them around the back area.